Starting an online business used to mean figuring out what to write, how to grow a list, and how to actually make money from it. But with AI Scale Stack changes everything by giving you a complete done-for-you system. With AI Scale Stack, you get custom AI bots that handle the hardest parts for you. They create your emails, grow your subscriber list, and even help turn that list into daily income. All without products, ads, or complicated funnels. The system is beginner friendly, so even if you've never made a dollar online before, you can have your own automated email business up and running in days, not months. And the best part is you can manage it in less than 30 minutes a day. Plus, it comes with a money back guarantee, so there's no risk to try it out. If you're ready to build a done for you email business that actually works, click my link in the description and start with AI Scale Stack today.